Hello once again everyone, welcome to our channel. And this time we're here to show you how to create a logo for your business or for your client's business using Canva.com, which is of course a free online platform that you can use without the need of any complicated software or program. But you also have the option to upgrade to the Pro plan just in case you want to maximize the use of Canva. But with the free account, you will still get a whole bunch of free templates, images, elements, and fonts that you can use for your project. Now for this tutorial, we are here to teach you a step-by-step guide on how to easily create a professionally designed business logo. It's either for yourself or for a client. You know, a lot of freelancers are using Canva to design logos for the clients. Freelancers who earn a decent side income in side gigs in online platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. But the first thing you need to do, of course, if you are new to Canva, is to create your free account first using your valid email address or your Facebook account. A lot of people say that it's easier to create an account in Canva using your Facebook account. So once you have created your account, all you gotta do is go to the home page. Okay, just to make sure you are on the home page, you have to click on the logo here on top. Okay, and this is actually the home page of Canva. Once you're logged in with your free account, you can browse all the templates for different categories. All right, so for today, to begin with, you can go on top of the navigational menu here and you can hover on templates and go to business, and under business you will find the logos there, and Canva will open the logo templates for you. Or you can go under this design anything panel here and click on marketing. All right, and then click on logo. So we'll click on logo, or you can also do that here on top of the navigational menu under the category business, and you can click on logos. So when you use the navigational menu here and you click on logos, it shows you, it opens up the logo template dashboard. Unlike when you click on of course, let's go back to the home page. Unlike when you click on marketing here under design any panel, if you click on logo, it takes you directly to the working dashboard. So that's the difference. All right, so it would be better if you click on the logo menu under the navigational menu, and under the business category opens up the logo dashboard for you, where you can of course choose a wide variety of free logo templates for your business or for your client's business. There are two types of templates, of course, the free and the pro. You can start with free, that's fine, just for you to be able to see what Canva can do for you, and you can navigate your way first in the website. This is a really cool online design platform. So here you can choose. So here you can choose a lot of really beautiful, you know, simple but professional looking logos. Okay, and this one's for free. This is really good. If you are into gaming, for example, or your client is into gaming, you can choose these free templates. Let's show you around. Click on that template, and then you will see the details here on this pop-up box. You can see the dimension or the size of the logo that will be created by Canva for you, and then you will see the use this template button here, and you can just click on use this template button, and it takes you directly, of course, to your working canvas on a new tab, and the template you have chosen gets automatically inserted to your canvas. This is your canvas. The handle here below is the zoom in and zoom out handle for you to be able to zoom in on the element that you are working on, or you can simply press Ctrl plus and minus on your keyboard for you to be able to zoom in and zoom out on the project that you're working on, or on the element that you are working on. So as you have noticed, when you click on an element, the blue box appears and you know that you are working on that element. All right, this is a really nice professionally designed logo, and it's free. You can use this for your business, no problem with that. Okay, so you click on that. You can change the color to whatever you like. You can change red, black. You can play around with anything. These are the options on top. When you click on an element, all the options here appear on top. So you can just play around with whatever you think looks best. And the shield, you can click on the shield and you can change it to the whatever color that you like. It could be the yellow within, or see, you can actually play around with anything. Alright, whatever you think would look better for your clients and for you. Alright, you click on the background and you will see the options here on top as well. You can add some effects, you can filter, adjust the color, you can adjust the darkness, the brightness of the background. There you go. You can also set the contrast. Whatever you think looks best, and you can click on that and you can choose the color of the background, or to yellow if you like. So that looks good, the red one looks good. And then that's how you play around with all the elements. When you click on an element, all the options appear here on top. Alright, you can also animate your logo if you want, but we will show you that later on. And for this one, you can just click on the text element here and you can just type in whatever you like. Alright, I don't like that word, so gaming hub, you can get that, and you can just delete this one using the delete button on top, or you can just press delete button on your keyboard. You can just delete that. Alright, and that's a really nice logo. You can entirely delete the shield one if you just want the dragon. Alright, that's fine. You can click the undo button on top or the redo button on top. Right? Or you can change the size of the shield if you want. There you go. When you see the purple line appear, you know it's in the middle of the element, just to make sure. Alright, or you can also increase the size of this one. Alright, so you can do that, go back to the one. That depends on how you want it to look. Right, so there you go. You can just decrease the size of this one. You can flip it if you want. There you go. And looks nice. You can also change the color of the font to yellow just to match the shield there, but white I think is better. So that's how you play around with the elements. Okay, when you animate this one, you can just choose some of the animation here, just in case you want to turn this into a video. There you go. For the sake of promotions, for example, you were able to create a new logo for this one, you can just create a video animation for this one, or an animated GIF that you can post to your social media, whatever, to Facebook or Instagram. It's really nice. You can just choose for the animate option. Alright. This one looks nice as well. This is free. You can try this one. You can insert that and it automatically gets inserted there. You can use this one. This is free. These are really nice. This is a really nice logo, right? You can just go back to the old one. For example, you want the head of the wolf here. You want to change it to dragon. You just have to right click on that and copy, and then go back to the old template that you like. You delete the dragon and you right click and paste, just to bring the face of the wolf there. And you can change the color of the shield just to match the wolf there. You can change it to like that. It's really nice, right? You can change it to white. See, you can change it to white and move that, whatever you think is best. It looks like that. And you can also change the background, of course. Change it to black with the gradient effect. Alright, so you can also set the transparency settings of the background there. red, black, whatever you like, blue. There we go. Whatever you think is best for your design. You can undo everything if you want to, go back to the old design. Right, you can just use blue. I think this looks better. And the transparency set, you can set the transparency settings there, and you can set the transparency settings there, and you can just remove, of course, gaming. And there. Once it's finished, you can change the title on top of this blue bar here. This, you can game logo. And then you can download the file. So download is a PNG, although if you want it to be on a transparent background, that's the pro account you have to upgrade if you want to do that. But this will do good for now. So you can just download that. Alright? So click on the download button. And it gets downloaded to your computer. So once again, that's how you design a logo with all the elements. Just remember, you can click on each element and the blue appears, the blue margin appears. You can set everything at the center of the canvas if you see the purple line appears, or you can just click position and make sure it's centered. Let's take a look at this one, position, center it, just to make sure. And this one, position, and center it, just to make sure everything's on the center of the canvas. The three dotted lines, center, just to make sure everything's on the center of the canvas. Okay, so there you go. If you're not satisfied, you can still find a lot of free elements for you. This is a video logo that you can do, but this is of course for another tutorial where we will be teaching you. But you can easily edit all the animated logos here as well, which is really good, and it's really easy. You just have to mix and match. Depends on your preference, and that depends on how creative you are with your project. Alright, so once again, before we close this tutorial, this is the tools panel on the left side of your screen. Okay, I forgot to mention that to you. You can see all the templates here, the elements, the free elements. There's a lot of free elements here. You can use this one for your logo as well. Alright, you can just click see all, or photos if you want to use color background. You can just use the search bar here to find a really nice logo element for you. All the elements you can find. You can also use group text or different text here. You can also upload, of course, your own images, your videos, and then audio. All you have to do is click on the upload media button. You can also hide the tools panel here when you click on this handle here. There you go. And click on the remaining to expand. So thank you so much once again for watching this video. See you on the next, and do take care, everyone.